Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Kevin channel. In this video I'll show you guys how to cash out any cryptocurrency using Binance Exchange and avoiding annoying P2P procedures. I actually asked ChatGPT how to withdraw crypto to fiat without P2P, and this is what he suggested. So he recommends to use crypto exchanges that convert USDT to any of these 11 currencies, with the commission of 0.5%. Although using exchanges you can avoid KYC procedures, simple IML check of the wallet connected first time will be done. To find suitable exchanger, always use Trustpilot website. There you can find trusted websites related to crypto. ChatGPT also suggested one of these services, which is BitsPay. So as you can see, I have USDC tokens in my Binance wallet. So firstly, I need to convert it to USDT. For this, I go to Markets menu, look for the USDC-USDT pair. Then choose to sell USDC at market price, enter the sum, and execute the transaction. Then I need to return to Assets menu in order to withdraw USDT to my Trust wallet. So I proceed to withdraw USDT token. To do so, I need to find USDT token in Trust wallet. Let me find USDT in Trust wallet. And then I need to copy the address of the coin. Then I return to Binance app again to finish up withdrawal. So I paste copied address, choose the Tron network, and click withdraw. So while we are waiting for USDT tokens to arrive in Trust wallet, let's go check BitsPay service. So this is instant crypto to fiat exchanger with a lot of payment options for over 10 currencies. I've already made few test transactions guys, so I just want to share with you how easy this method compares to P2P. So let's check Trust wallet and see if funds have arrived. Refreshing my wallet. And yeah, now we can proceed to cash out USDT. Returning to BitsPay website. I'm going to choose 997 USDT. This equals 991.6 USD. Deposit it to my bank account. And I'm going to pick Bank of America as a payment method. Before hitting start exchange, agree with the terms of the service. Wallet connection window pops up. Here I choose Wallet Connect. And then I pick Trust Wallet. And now going to Wallet app to confirm the connection. It says that the domain is verified in Trust. So confirming connection and going back to browser. Here we have to wait for the connection and go back to wallet again to confirm the exchange rate. Checking contract details and confirming it. And now we can add up transaction details at BitsPay. Wait a little bit for it to finish securing the commission. And in a new window we need to put our transaction details. In my case is the name and account number of the Bank of America. And of course email is needed as well. So let me quickly put my details. For security reasons I will have to blur it though. After hitting exchange, the new window with order details opens. Here we can track our payment order. And when payment received we can confirm it and close the exchange. So less than 15 minutes have gone by, you can see by the time at the top left. I received my bank notification. Let me check my bank account. Go into payment history straight, and yes guys, the exact same amount deposited from BitsPay. That's it guys, hope you're gonna enjoy this method. Please leave a review on it and like if you have successfully withdrawn your cryptocurrency. Good luck everyone.